Doing a quick Ghost Gates remote distance review. I've had old gates where I've got almost touched the nose of my truck to the gate for the remote control to open the gate. But in the distance here, just past that car, you'll see that green gate. Okay, and here is the Ghost Controls 5-button remote. So now I'm going to press the opener. Now we're going to approach. Let's see and by the way, the odometer says 0. So we are over 1/10 of a mile, and voila, pretty impressive. Highly recommend it. I'll do one more video to show you the speed.